Now, when you are asked to discuss cancers of the kidney, the discussion might actually look so big to you, but if you're able to calm down and grab the classification, it always makes a difference because from the classification, you can be able to like break down things for yourself. Okay, so I'm looking at the classification of renal tumors. Okay, that's like all the tumors that could actually occur in the kidney. Okay, what are they? How can we classify them into things that we can easily grab? Okay, so first of all, you should know that renal tumors can be benign or malignant. Do you understand? Like they can be a type that they are just in one place that's benign, or they are spreading to other places of the body. That's what malignant. Okay, so benign renal tumors, they are non-invasive. They are not going to any other place. They are just staying in one place. So tumors like what? Renal oncocytoma, angiomyolipoma, metanephric adenoma, renal papillary adenoma, leiomyoma, juxtaglomerular cell tumors. Now we are just listing and passing. This is because we'll still come back and talk about each of these tumors later on individually. Okay, all right. Now, malignant tumors. These are tumors that can be able to spread to other places. Okay, and mostly patients will die from complications. Okay, in other systems, not primarily the kidneys. Okay, so under the malignant tumors, we have a sub-classification. We have the renal cell carcinomas, then we have the non-renal cell carcinomas. So under the renal cell carcinomas, we have about, I think about 7 examples, 8 examples rather. So the first one is clear cell renal cell carcinoma. Second one, we have the papillary renal cell carcinoma. Third, we have the chromophobe renal cell carcinoma. Fourth, we have the collecting duct carcinoma. Okay. Fifth, we have the renal medullary carcinoma. Okay. Sixth, we have the translocation renal cell carcinoma. Seventh, we have the mucinous tubular and spinal carcinoma. Eighth, we have the tubulocystic renal cell carcinoma. Okay. Then we have the ones that are not renal cell carcinomas, like Wilms tumor, also known as nephroblastoma, primary renal sarcomas like leiomyosarcoma, liposarcoma. Okay. Have renal lymphoma. Then we also have the urothelial carcinoma of renal pelvis. Now you don't have to worry about any one of these because we'll come back. We'll make videos on each one of them. Okay. So, but that's the classification of renal tumors based on benign and malignant.